In this video, I'll show you how to download historical and SSP245 MIROC6 climate data directly from the Copernicus Climate Data Store using SD-GCM. I've already loaded my station data, so let's open the Grid Data tab. SD-GCM provides several ways to load grid climate data. In this video, we'll focus on downloading CMIP6 data directly from the Copernicus Climate Data Store using OpenND API. If this is your first time, follow these instructions to create your Copernicus CDS API key. Then paste it here and click Save. Now configure the download request. In this example, I'll use the MIROC6 climate model with daily precipitation as the selected variable. Since we're downloading the historical simulation, the experiment is set to historical. Finally, specify the date range that matches your observed station data. Since we're downloading the historical simulation, set the target to historical GCM data. If needed, you can also adjust the area buffer. A value of 0.0 is recommended because it selects the nearest climate model grid cell for each station. Now click Download and wait while SD-GCM retrieves the data. The download time depends on the selected climate model, the date range, and the number of stations in your project. The second station is downloading now. The historical CMIP6 data has now been downloaded successfully. You can review the download summary and dataset information here. Next, let's download the future climate projections using the SSP245 scenario. Keep in mind that CMIP6 SSP scenarios begin in 2015 and extend through 2100, so be sure to select a date range that matches your study period before starting the download. You can also adjust the area buffer if needed, although a value of 0.0 is recommended to select the nearest grid cell. Since we're downloading the SSP245 scenario, make sure the target is set to future GCM data. Then click Download and wait while SD-GCM retrieves the data. The progress bar shows the download status for each station until the process is complete. When the download is complete, you can check some information. Once the download is complete, open the Data Preview tab to inspect the downloaded CMIP6 data. In this example, we're viewing precipitation data. Notice that the values are very small because they are still in flux units. At the bottom of the Grid Data tab, you can review a summary of the downloaded datasets and see what you downloaded. From the top toolbar, open the View and Export Data window to browse and export any dataset loaded in your project. Your observed station precipitation data is in millimeters per day, while the downloaded CMIP6 precipitation data is in flux units. Before applying bias correction, you need to convert the GCM data to millimeters per day, so both datasets use the same units. Since we're working with precipitation, select the multiplicative correction factor, then save the settings. Now the tool is ready to evaluate methods. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.